Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you how you can grow your own watermelon at home very easily. Simply you can collect watermelon seed. As you can see, I am collecting watermelon seed. You can only use black seed. White seeds are not for germination, these are baby seeds. You can see black seeds for germination. Do not use white color seed. As you can see, the collection of seed process has been completed. And you can also remove unwanted pieces from your seed. Now you can soak your watermelon seeds for 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can see all seeds has been cleaned. And also you can also collect white color seeds. These white color seeds will not be germinate. Friends, sorry for my English. Please watch my video very carefully. For potting mix, I am using coco peat for germination of watermelon seeds. You can also use your garden soil as well. Now mix it well. Now fill your pot with your potting mix. Please watch my video till the end. I will show you step-by-step guide to grow watermelon seed very easily. Now it's time to place your seeds in potting mix. Place your seeds with some distance, seed by seed, some distance. After sprinkling watermelon seeds, please make your watermelon sequence. As you can see in this video, please apply this method to grow watermelon seeds. This is a very good method to plant watermelon seed. You can see this. Now you can cover your watermelon seed with same potting mix. Because my coco peat is already moist, there is no need to sprinkle water. You can now cover it. You can also use water as well. I am not using water because my coco peat is already moist. After 1 day, 1 to 2 days, I will remove upper cover of this box. Friends, after 7 to 8 days, watermelon plant has been start germination. As you can see, some are just coming out. it's time to transplant these plants into large pot. Now I am again using coco peat. Now you can take a good and healthy plants. Now friends, you can see rooting as well. Please make 4 to 5 inches deep hole and place your watermelon plant very carefully. After planting, cover from sides and sprinkle water. Friends, after transplanting watermelon plant, our plants start fruiting at least 40 to 50 days. Friends, hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks.